Hello, another layout update. Not much progress has been made since last video. However, the extra work that I was doing to repair the building has now pretty much been completed, which does mean that going forward there should be more time for the layout, hopefully anyway. Some progress has been made. So if I start over here, you can see the groundwork for the wall has had some paint applied to it. Along here has now been covered with plaster cloth and painted. I've given it a light green coat just as a base coat for when the static grass is put on later. In this area the plaster cloth hasn't been applied, however you can see that the foam and the track bed has been stuck down. That one piece of wall there is to mark the place. They line up from there all the way along, but I don't have enough pieces yet, so that's just to mark the exact place where it comes to. The bridge portal over here had to be moved. It was getting in the way of the track line. Although the track cleared the bridge fine, some of the larger locos would get a bit close, so I decided to move it a little. It now comes out to where the track bed stops, just about there. The bridge line has had the most progress done. As you can see, the track bed has been glued down. Here some track has been glued and ballasted. And this piece has been glued down as well. All the way along to here. It stops there. The idea of this part of the track here is that it's supposed to be much older. So you'll see there's the sleepers are black because it's the old Hornby track, which all Hornby track actually comes with black sleepers. But the ballasting has been done as such that the idea is that it looks like it's supposed to be brown gravel with the newer grey put on top. So the idea is it's supposed to sort of blend in as it's been updated over the years, and they've sort of patched it with more gravel. Eventually this will continue to the bridge, of course. This support has now been glued in. The track here is Hornby track. The main reason is because I wanted to use a fixed piece of track for this corner, as it's a little bit tight. Trying to use flex track along here when I need to do a cut about there somewhere for the baseboard joint would cause some trouble. So this is one piece of the large radius, please 4th radius Hornby track. The next job for this part of the layout will be to complete this section down here with the plaster cloth. The track bed will need to be fixed down from there all the way around to here. Yes, the wood piece for the top of there still needs to be cut out. The wall pieces along here, I need to get some more of those and build them up. Then I'll be able to run all the way from that tunnel portal all the way across to the other one when it's in place. The platforms will need building as well. I have the kit already for that. I'm going to again use the Metcalfe card kit for the platforms. These Hornby ones that are sitting there now are just to give it a sort of a rough station feel in the meantime. This track also will need finishing off in the middle. That's about it for this update. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the next video will have some more progress in it. Until then.